Okay, let's see if... Oh, this is a thing, too. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. We'll see. Let there be light. Ooh, I need a screwdriver to open the hood. Naturally. Flathead blue. That works. Now open I'm gonna need a hood prop. Where's my wood? There it is. Come here, brother. Hood prop. Hood prop. 3,000. What's going on in here? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Alright. That's definitely gonna go somewhere. This is tiny. Does 10 work? Can't really reach it too well. You know, I hear this thing is just kind of in the way. It's not even bolted in. I bet that bolt is stripped. How big is that? Does this fit? No. It's a 10. It's a 10. Believe it or not, it's a 10. This is the worst 10. I don't need a flare wrench for this right now. I can't reach it. Okay, let me get an actual wrench. This flared thing is just not gonna be it. I'll put you back. Thank you. I'm gonna steal my father's wrench. Not one of those. A wrench. Yes. You got a 10? You get a 10. There's a 10. That'll work. That'll work real well. It's such a beautiful day. It's gonna rain. I'm gonna blow the AC line, the AC line, the AC line. Maybe it's not a 10. No, it is. What was on there? Wow. How did the other one fall off if that was on there so well? God, this is in there. Very tight squeeze. Just hit the nut. Good. And there goes my wrench. Let me get a 10 for the plastic cover. Whee! Whee! Like an actual 10. You can tell I don't use it that much because I still have my 10mm. Okay, I could probably just take this off by now. Yeah. Come here. I wish I had a magnet. Oh shit! There it goes. Bolts. Plastic cover. Now I can see my engine. Alright. You're probably thinking, that valve cover looks really clean. It's because it's new. I was looking for this. Now I need to do the thing that I came out here for. Oh no, it's already too loose. Finger it, perhaps. I can try. Oh, there it is. It's coming out. There we go. No! There it is. I take this to the hardware store, get a replica, because I'm missing one of these. Now let me get the last one out, and then I can actually look at the tension and see if there's any. Get over here, brother. Oh, the last one is hardest to reach. No way, this one's barely on there too. This one's loose, it's not even... Can I get it off my hand? Can I reach it? Oh my god, there's no space in here at all. Get off. Somebody take this off before me. And then didn't tighten it hard enough. Come on. Oh, there we go. I can feel it. Oh, I can't reach it at all. Oh my goodness. This is difficult. Oh, we got it. Ah. Oh, and there it goes. There it is. Thank you. Oh, this thing's made of metal. I thought this was plastic. They're different sizes. They're different sizes. Oh. Okay, this one came out of here. This one came out of here. And I don't know what size goes in here. That's unfortunate. A missing bolt. Missing bolt. This footage looks like shit, doesn't it? Fuck it, I'm gonna just leave this shit in here, honestly. That's where I believe the bolts go. And then I don't have that one.
So while I was recording, I couldn't actually see it, but I did take a little recording. I took a picture of the timing chain tensioner when I had the cover off, and I was very clearly able to see that the tensioner was overextended very clearly. Here's a picture of like what it was supposed to look like, and here's what it is. Not correct, and clearly the guide had fallen down, so it definitely needs a new timing chain job, but we're going to ignore that for now. What I ended up doing is I actually took one of the engine cover bolts. They held down that little plastic thing. Yeah, those bolts are the same size as the cover, so I just put that one in place with the missing bolt. So now I at least got it to a point where it's not leaking from that specific bolt. I mean, obviously, it needs timing chain job. But whatever. It's not leaking. That's all that really matters right now. You should see the Malibu. The Malibu's a lot worse, and it also has timing chain issues.
Now I need to move the car out of the driveway because, believe it or not, the parents don't enjoy trash in their driveway. Who could have thought about that? But this is about my only other parking spot, guys. Malibu. I've got a flat tire too. I gotta fill that up, or just ignore it. You might have a flat tire, but fortunately, it's only flat on the bottom. I'm just gonna put some air in it just so it doesn't die. You guys ever seen that one Cybertruck owner that has that like hand pump that he used to fill up his tires? That shit cracks me up. Where is my compressor? Ah! Here, compressor. I need an extension cord. You think this will be long enough? Ow! That hit my fucking shin. Ooh, that felt great. No way. No way. Ooh, my shin. That should be long enough. Yeah. The cord don't reach the tube well. Well, it helps if I'm building pressure. It's loud. Hey. So close. It's at 50 psi. That'll work for now. It's growing. Look at it grow. Look at it grow. Okay. It's like 28-ish. Doubt that'll hold for long. Looks like the other tires are holding air, so that's nice. That's terrible. They're all different tires. Beautiful. It's a work of art.
Alright, that's it, dude. What are you still doing here? I don't know, go buy my art or something. Link in the description.